wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best shower grab bars. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Changing Lifestyles Safer Grip Traveler can assist both adults and children in hotel bathrooms. The flip tabs allow for a simple installation, though as with other suction cup models, it is only for light support and shouldn't be able to hold a lot of weight. It's less than 4 inches in diameter and could also be used in a swimming pool. However, it's not designed for permanent installation. At number 9, even though the Moen Kingsley boasts handsome aesthetics, including a rich bronze color, it still meets ADA specifications, so you can rest assured it's safe. And if you don't like the oil-rubbed look, it also comes in brushed nickel or chrome. It has an antique feel and is offered in several lengths, but it is quite a pricey model. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Medline bathtub bar can clamp to various sizes and designs of tub, thanks to a clamp that widens to accommodate tub walls between 2 3/4 and 6 1/4 inches wide. Unfortunately, it isn't so good on curved surfaces. It offers a tool-free installation and a convenient bi-level grip. However, the handle is somewhat slippery. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for shower grab bars, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Franklin Brass Safety Bar is available in various stylish finishes and can take up to 500 pounds of pulling force. It's available in various lengths too, and the mounting screws don't show, but the included hardware could be better. Moving up our list to number 6. You can kill 2 birds with 1 stone with the Moen 16-inch, as it has a shelf for soap and other grooming products. The tray comes off so you can clean it from time to time. It supports 250 pounds and doesn't look at all institutional. However, the tray tends to hold water. Halfway up our list at number 5. The CSI Bathware Bar Wave has an elegant curved shape and an oil-rubbed bronze finish. Twist-on flanges complete the look, hiding the screws for a tidy appearance. It's over 1 foot long and made with sturdy stainless steel tubing that isn't prone to rusting. At number 4, the Drive Medical Adjustable is a versatile option that doesn't require any tools or know-how to install. Its height goes from 14 to 17 inches quickly and easily, and you can remove it without difficulty when it's not needed. It's powder-coated for longevity and equipped with rubber pads to prevent scratches. However, you do have to recheck the tightness occasionally. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. You don't want to skimp when it comes to safety, but you may have budget constraints, which makes the Amazon Basics Handicap a good option. You get everything you need for installation at a relatively low price. The finish resists corrosion and it's available in 2 diameters, both backed by a 1-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for shower grab bars, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you don't have to drill any holes to install the Stander security pole because it's tension mounted, making it convenient as well as movable if necessary. Offering more usability than many, it's got a ladder grip that aids in standing. It's also good for bedroom use and has a 300-pound weight capacity. It's made of rust-resistant materials. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Moen 8994 Home Care can support up to 500 pounds, and with its 24 by 36-inch L shape, covers quite a bit of real estate. Despite being larger than many others, it's not an eyesore thanks to an attractive peened finish. It complies with ADA standards and has a slip-resistant surface. It's backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for shower grab bars, or simply click beneath this video.